Hey there, science fans! Bill Nye here, ready to explore the amazing world of materials. Everything around us is made of materials. Your toys, your clothes, even you. And guess what? These materials can change in incredible ways. It's like magic, but it's all about science. Have you ever noticed how some materials are hard and some are soft? Some are bendy, while others are stiff. We're going to discover why that is and learn how we can change materials in awesome ways. Get ready for some exciting experiments and mind-blowing facts. Let's go! Are you ready to see how materials transform? Let's dive in. Let's start with something you've probably played with before. Clay. Clay is soft and moldable. You can squish it, roll it, and shape it into anything you can imagine. From silly animals to colorful bowls, the possibilities are endless. Paper is another great example. You can fold it into a paper airplane, a neat origami crane, or even a fancy hat. Folding changes the shape of the paper, but doesn't change what it's made of. These are examples of how we can change the shape and form of materials. We can mold them, bend them, and fold them into amazing creations. It's like being a magician, but with science. Did you know that materials behave differently when we apply force? Let's see what happens when we bend, stretch, and snap. Take a rubber band. You can stretch it really far, and it snaps back to its original shape. That's called elasticity. But if you try to stretch a stick too far, it will break. That's because the stick isn't as elastic as the rubber band. Some materials are strong and can handle a lot of force, while others are more delicate. Think about a metal spoon. You can bend it a little bit, but it's hard to break. That's because metal is very strong. Understanding how materials react to force helps us build things that are both strong and safe. Hold on to your hats, because things are about to get hot and cold. Temperature plays a big role in how materials behave. Have you ever left a chocolate bar out in the sun? What happens? It melts. That's because heat can change a solid into a liquid. Now think about what happens when you put water in the freezer. It turns into ice. That's right, cooling can change a liquid into a solid. Isn't that cool? Heating and cooling can transform materials in remarkable ways. Just think about baking a cake. You mix together ingredients, heat them up, and voila! You have a delicious treat. It's like alchemy in the kitchen. Nature is full of amazing materials. Trees provide us with wood, which we use to build houses, furniture, and even toys. Can you believe that? From a simple tree to a cozy home, it's incredible. And have you ever wondered how we get soft, comfy clothes from a plant? Cotton is a natural fiber that we spin into yarn and then weave into fabric. It's like magic, transforming fluffy cotton into your favorite t-shirt. From the food we eat to the clothes we wear, natural materials make up so much of our world. It's important to appreciate and care for these resources. Congratulations, science explorers! You've learned about how materials change shape, react to forces, and transform with heat and cold. You've even discovered how we use natural materials to create amazing things. Now it's your turn to experiment and observe the world around you. What happens when you freeze juice? How does Play-Doh change when you mold it? Pay attention to the materials in your daily life and see if you can figure out how they've been transformed. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop learning about the science that surrounds us. Stay curious, my friends. Bye for now.